this video, I will discuss what is writing for the web or online writing. In general, it is not much different from writing for print. Online writing is basically every form of writing, but presented or found on the internet. It can take in many forms such as blogs, informative articles, review articles, academic articles, journalism articles, just to name a few. On the other hand, writing for print simply means the writing we find on textbooks, pocketbooks, magazines, newspapers, etc. However, reading on screen is so much different from reading on print. According to a survey by the Nielsen Group, many people find it hard reading on computer screens, tablets, and phones. Reading from screens takes about 25% longer than reading from paper. The survey further revealed that readers experience an unpleasant feeling when reading online text. To solve this problem, you have to make your article scannable. Scannability in your articles. Why is it important? You see, not all internet users will want to read your entire article or post. Some of them will only scan for important information. Many people will only scan your post whether they are in a hurry or they don't like reading long posts at all. With that said, the Nielsen Group survey mentioned earlier further revealed that only 16% of those participants read a web page word by word, while 79% of those people only scan web pages to find the information they are looking for. So how do you create a scannable article? To create a scannable article, you need to use white space, headings and subheadings, short sentences and paragraphs, highlighted words, bulleted and numbered lists. White space is the amount of space around and between the words. This is what it looks like without white space. And so, we should use white space because it is easy on the eyes. It makes it easier for us to read. It draws the reader's attention to the text. Headings and subheadings not only help create scannable articles, but also help create an outline that guides the flow in the article. There should only be one heading or one headline in your articles. The subheadings are used to lay out the proper hierarchy of the subtopics. Short sentences and paragraphs. If you are writing informative articles, you have to make your sentences short and simple. You don't have to use long-winded sentences and PhD-level vocabulary like you would do in academic writing. Keep in mind that your readers in general vary in levels of education or vocabulary. Use simple words as much as possible so that your readers don't have to continually check the dictionary just to understand what you're trying to say. Furthermore, your sentences should not be more than 16 words long. Likewise, your paragraph should not contain more than 3 sentences. In fact, some paragraphs can only contain 1 sentence. To purpose here is to have one idea per paragraph. Highlighted words. The purpose of highlighting words in the article is to draw the attention of your readers to the important information in a sentence. Highlighted words can be bolded, italicized, or colored. Bulleted and numbered lists. Using bulleted or numbered lists is a great way to break your long sentences, especially if you are enumerating something. Bulleted and numbered lists makes a more scannable text. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.